Angel, cool it, right? What I'm going to do is actually film a Padoo tree this morning because a viewer asked if this still existed, they wanted to know. So I'm going to show you. Right, this is the actual tree here, it's in full bloom here. And actually it's a big tree. It's not like it's not like a forested tree, but it grows in the bush wild sometimes. This is in the yard by me here. This is an actual fruit here. Padoo, it is ripe, it is getting yellow and it's ripe, almost looking just like this flowers here. Yes, and that's the flower, the actual flower of the tree itself. See the fruit there? Another fruit right now start to come in. Right? I'm going to back up a little bit and show you the actual tree. It's kind of large. Right, there is the flowers there. All that is the tree. I will walk and show you a different angle here. All that is flowers. It's a lot. It bears by the thousand when you see it. It's food for parrots and birds. Birds love it when it start to arrive. They eat a lot of the seed itself. It has a kind of pulpy white stuff around the seed which you eat, which I eat anyway. I like it. That's why I saved this tree when I cut this land. It was a very small tree and I decided to save it because it's something I liked and people like it too. But it's rare. It's kind of going out of style now. This is the whole tree here. I'm coming out of that phone there. As you're hearing in the background there, that's the phone. I'm going to have to return that call. So this is the tree. Backing up so you'll get a fuller shot at it. It's a very large tree in truth, you know. All that is flowers you're looking at there. What you have here is a few tomato tree that I planted about 2 months ago and actually started to bear already, which is very fast. It surprised me, you know, the quality of the fruit. Has no kind of chemical on this, none at all. For all you don't know, this particular tree is what they call a bound flowers. It's like, it have another name, we call it ryo. What happened, the ancient people, when they had their lands and things, they used this as a separation between lands. So we used to call it the boundary. Anytime you see one of this in the bush, you know somebody had a piece of land located here. And that was their bound. Like, I don't know if it has some other name, but I really don't know it. We call it bound flowers. It's very pretty. It has a white type to this. This is the red one, but it has one that's white. And it's really pretty.